Mortis. The rigor mortis is one of the recognizable signs of death and caused by chemical changes in the muscle after death, causing the body to stiffen and locked in place, making it difficult to move or change or manipulate. It starts or commences after about 3 to 4 hours and reaching maximum stiffness after 12 hours. Gradually dissipates after approximately 24 hours after death, thus lasting for about 72 hours. This rigor mortis progresses in a downward head to toe direction. In 12 to 18 hours, the body uh, becomes stiff as a board. At this stage, the joints can be moved only by force, and it takes about 2 days for rigor mortis to fade. Once it does, decay sets in. If the body isn't embalmed or cooled to 38 degrees Fahrenheit, 3.3 degrees Celsius or below, it will quickly decompose. After death, cellular respiration in organisms ceases to occur and depleting the oxygen and used in making ATP, allowing the corpse to harden and become stiff. ATP is no longer provided to operate the the sarcoplasmic reticulum. Calcium pumps in the membrane of sarcoplasmic reticulum, which pump calcium ions into terminal cisternae. This causes calcium ions to diffuse from the area of higher concentration to the lower concentration, binding with the troponin and allowing the cross bridging to occur between myosin and actin proteins, two types of fibers that work together in muscular contraction. Contrary to common perception, the process of rigor mortis actually does reverse and the body returns to flaccid state. The muscles losing their tightness in the reverse of how they gained it. Those larger muscles that contracted last will lose their stiffness first and return to the pre-rigor condition. The rigor mortis is good means of indicating time of death, as is normally visible in within the first 36 to 48 hours after death, after which it leaves the body. Now, the summary of the mechanism of or the pathophysiology of the rigor mortis. Death causes cessation of respiration, depletion of oxygen used in making ATP. ATP no longer provided to operate the sarcoplasmic reticulum. Calcium pumps in the membrane of sarcoplasmic reticulum, which pump calcium ions in the terminal cisternae. Calcium ions diffuse from terminal cisternae and extracellular fluid to the sarcomere. Calcium bind with the troponin, cross bridging between myosin and actin filaments.